Hello friends. How are you? In this video, we will learn about list of medical equipment. So let's start. Thermometer. A thermometer is a device that measures temperature or a temperature gradient. Stethoscopes. The stethoscope is a medical device for auscultation or listening to internal sounds of a human body. Catheters. Catheters are medical devices that can be inserted in the body to treat diseases or perform a surgical procedure. Anesthetic machine. Anesthesia machines are designed to provide an accurate and continuous supply of medical gases to maintain a proper level of anesthesia to a patient. Syringe. Syringes are devices used for injecting medication into the body or withdrawing fluid from the body. Wheelchair. A wheelchair is a chair with wheels used when walking is difficult or impossible due to illness, injury, problems related to old age, or disability. Sphygmomanometer. A sphygmomanometer, or a blood pressure monitor, is a device used to measure blood pressure. Stretcher. A stretcher, gurney, litter, or pram is an apparatus used for moving patients who require medical care. Hospital bed. Hospital bed is a bed specially designed for hospitalized patients for the comfort and well-being of the patient. Nebulizer. In medicine, a nebulizer is a drug delivery device used to administer medication in the form of a mist inhaled into the lungs. Infusion pump. Infusion pump is used to gradually deliver small amount of fluid with or without medication to a patient. Microscope. A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. Autoclave. An autoclave is a machine used to carry out industrial and scientific processes requiring elevated temperature and pressure in relation to ambient pressure and temperature. An automated external defibrillator. An AED, or automated external defibrillator, is used to help those experiencing sudden cardiac arrest. Blood test kits. Find out how well organs, such as your kidneys, liver, heart, or thyroid are working. Help diagnose certain diseases and conditions. Computer monitor. Computer/patient monitors are medical equipment that keep accurate track of a patient's vitals and state of health during intensive or critical care. Otoscopes. An otoscope is a medical device which is used to look into the ears. An otoscope potentially gives a view of the ear canal and tympanic membrane, or eardrum. Ophthalmoscope. An ophthalmoscope is used to detect and evaluate symptoms of retinal detachment or eye diseases such as glaucoma. Centrifuge. A centrifuge is a device that uses centrifugal force to subject a specimen to a specified constant force, for example, to separate various components of a fluid. Urine analyzers. A urine analyzer is a device used in the clinical setting to perform automatic urine testing. Chemistry analyzers. Chemistry analyzers are medical laboratory devices used to calculate the concentration of certain substances within samples of serum, plasma, urine, and/or other body fluids. Pacemakers. Pacemakers send electrical pulses to help your heart beat at a normal rate band rhythm. Kick buckets. The kick bucket is used during a surgical procedure for the disposal of number of pliable and disposable articles. Ice bags. Ice and cold packs can relieve pain, swelling, and inflammation from injuries and other conditions, such as arthritis. Aspirators. Medical aspirators is a suction machine used to remove mucus, blood, and other bodily fluids from a patient. Oxygen canisters. Oxygen canisters are used to store gas for medical breathing at medical facilities and at home. A spirometer for monitoring lung capacity. Spirometry is a common office test used to assess how well your lungs work by measuring how much air you inhale, how much you exhale, and how quickly you exhale. A fetal monitoring machine. A fetal monitoring machine are used to continuously record the heartbeat of the fetus and the contractions of the woman's uterus during labor. An ultrasound machine. An ultrasound machine makes images so that organs inside the body can be examined. The machine sends out high-frequency sound waves which reflect off body structures. An X-ray machine. X-ray machines pass X-ray beams through a part of the body to produce images of the tissue, organs, bones, or teeth inside. Oxygen masks. An oxygen mask provides a method to transfer breathing oxygen gas from a storage tank to the lungs. Oxygen masks may cover only the nose and mouth. A resuscitation bag and mask. A resuscitator bag is attached to a non-rebreathing valve and then to a face mask that conforms to the soft tissues of the face. The opposite end of the bag is attached to an oxygen source. Airway suction unites. Airway suctioning refers to the collective measures that are used for clearing the airway of a patient. Forceps. Forceps are a handheld, hinged instrument used for grasping and holding objects. Forceps are used when fingers are too large to grasp small objects. Scissors. Surgeons use surgical scissors during an operation in order to cut tissues at the surface or inside the human body. Scalpel. A scalpel, lancet, is a small and extremely sharp-bladed instrument used for surgery, anatomical dissection, podiatry, and various arts and crafts. Pipette. A pipette is a laboratory tool commonly used in chemistry, biology, and medicine to transport a measured volume of liquid, often as a media dispenser. Defibrillation. A defibrillator delivers a dose of electric current to the heart. Electrocardiography. Electrocardiography is the process of producing an electrocardiogram, a recording of the heart's electrical activity through repeated cardiac cycles. Ventilator. A ventilator is a piece of medical technology that provides mechanical ventilation by moving breathable air into and out of the lungs to deliver breaths to a patient who is physically unable to breathe. Colposcope. A colposcope is used to examine the cervix, vagina, and vulva. It is a diagnostic procedure performed to evaluate abnormal cytology results from a screening Pap test. Pulse oximetry. Pulse oximetry is a non-invasive method for monitoring a person's blood oxygen saturation. Crutch. A crutch is a mobility aid that transfers weight from the legs to the upper body. It is often used by people who cannot use their legs to support their weight for reasons ranging from short-term injuries to lifelong disabilities. Walker. Walker provides a wider base of support than a walking stick, so it is used more to stabilize patients with poor balance and mobility or lower extremity impairment. A trauma board. A trauma board, used to help reduce the chance of spinal cord injury. A reflex hammer. The reflex hammer is an important diagnostic tool used by physicians to test deep tendon reflexes, an essential part of the neurological physical examination in order to assess the peripheral and central nervous system. Electrosurgery. Electrosurgery is the application of a high-frequency alternating polarity electrical current to biological tissue as a means to cut, coagulate, desiccate, or fulgurate tissue. Saline bag. Saline bag are used to treat dehydration, flush wounds, administer diluted medications, and sustain patients through serious medical conditions such as surgery, dialysis, and chemotherapy. Blood bag. Blood bags are designed for the collection, processing, and storage of whole blood and blood components. Braces. Braces can correct a wide range of dental issues, including crooked, gapped, rotated, or crowded. Dental pick. A dental pick is used to remove plaque and tartar from your teeth. It is used during routine cleanings to get into hard-to-reach areas and get rid of debris that is too hard to remove with brushing and flossing. Eye-chart. Eye-chart V serves as a portable tool to quickly assess monocular and binocular visual acuity. Eye-chart used to subjectively measure visual acuity. The most commonly used eye chart is known as the Snellen chart. Surgical mask. Surgical masks are disposable devices that cover the mouth and nose during medical procedures. Rubber gloves. Its primary purpose is protection of the hands while performing tasks involving chemicals. Bandage. A bandage is used, in combination with, a dressing, where a wound is present. A roller bandage is used to secure a dressing in place. Cotton wool pads and swabs. Cotton swabs are sterile pads, usually used to apply antibacterial ointments or to clean the skin around a wound. Gauze. Gauze pads used for general cleaning, dressings, prepping, packing, and debriding wounds. It can also be used as a temporary absorbent dressing over wounds. Paper towels. Paper towels absorb water. Paper towels drying hands, wiping windows and other surfaces, dusting, and cleaning up spills. Hypodermic needles. A hypodermic needle is used for rapid delivery of liquids, or when the injected substance cannot be ingested, either because it would not be absorbed. Antiseptic wipes. Antiseptic wipes can be used to sanitize wounds and the surrounding skin, or to quickly clean the hands before tending to injuries on yourself or others. Foil blankets. Foil blankets are an effective method of prevention against hypothermia. The use of a foil survival blanket helps the body retain its own body heat by reflecting escaping heat back towards the body. First aid kit. A first aid kit is a box, bag, or other container that holds essential supplies used to treat common injuries, such as cuts, scrapes, bruises, sprains. Storage equipment. Equipment that is used to store and transfer medical supplies. Ambulance. Ambulances are used to respond to medical emergencies by emergency medical services. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.